Ethan and I are getting ready to do the unboxing of this bad boy, the second electric bike in our family. The first one's Kai's, what is that, a Demon, Mototech Demon. This is the Rawrr Mini, geared up for a little guy. Wasn't really ready to get him a Sur-Ron, an E-Ride Pro, or the Altus Sigma. And he's not quite ready yet for the Mantis or the Mantis X. But this is step one. And we're going to unbox this thing, get it put together, and then do a first ride review after we get it charged up. So watch as we stream this thing and get it ready. We're going to do a time lapse on pulling it all together and getting it set up. So here we go. Cool. I need to flip the breaker on it, but I don't know how to get to it yet.
Forward or back?
Back. This way. Sorry, forward. Up there. How's that feel?
So the handlebars, where the brakes are, you feel like that's...
How's it feel?
Yes.
You like it? You think it's going to be enough?
Do you want it at all twisted up a little bit? Look. Like this a little more? You're comfortable with where it is?
You like them down? E. Stay there, man. Alright, babe, hop on.
I want to see the shocks in there.
Yeah, I may need to adjust those too.
Oh, this is going to be awesome.
Alright, we'll check the air pressure.
Oh, this is awesome, dude.
I can't wait to power them on.
There's nothing on that paperwork that says how long it takes to charge.
It should have been 65%. It's going to be just a couple of hours.
What time? Oh, you gotta leave in like 20 minutes.
It's alright. It'll be charged after football. If I had to ride it after football, if I can't.
We couldn't wait. It rained last night. Decided not to ride, but it is. Alright, bro. Start switch right here. Yep. There you go. You're on one. Ready? Yeah. Oh my god. Absolutely no way is Kai riding this thing. it up around there.
Yep.
All kinds of places to ride. Just don't go so fast you can't stop yourself. What are you into? Hit it, man. Throttle. Yeah. And he's gone. What's that? This is what it's rated for. I won't ride it again.
Oh, she's getting one of those too? Oh shit!
72 volt. That was 48 volt. Kai's pissed. He wants to. Dad, my bike's not fast anymore. I gotta get a new one. I'm like, man.
That's on two?
Yeah.
What does 3 do?
Wheelies. I mean, all the torque. Slow now, isn't he? Yep. All right, I gotta check him out. I'll see you. This thing is unbelievably insane. I mean, just incredibly impressive. I can't believe how well put together this bike is. I mean, it's insane. I cannot wait to do an actual video on this that highlights everything, and it's just so well made. So incredibly well made. I mean, it is a piece of art. Everything on this bike is quality. This is the Mini. This is just the Mini. This isn't even the big one. So, all of you out there jazzing this thing for being so much money, let me just remind you, you get what you pay for. Yeah, I was a little perturbed at the price, considering, you know, $500 gets you up to the next level, which is the one that will be here in a couple of days, that my wife is getting, the Mantis X, at this Mantis Mini. If you got a kid that's not, well, let me just say this, if you have a kid that wants one of these, if they're not responsible, don't get it for them. This thing is so fast, like, the torque, the way, I mean, just everything, I cannot stop. I'll put it to you this way. I got off of it. I weigh 194 pounds, and I'm too heavy for this thing. I got off of it. My heart was fluttering. It is insane. And that's my electric bike. But yeah, my wife's got the 72 volt Mantis X coming. She's terrified once it gets here. I don't know how she's going to end up doing on it, but we'll find out. That's her bike currently.